Oberlo versus WooCommerce, which offers more dropshipping options for store owners. Let's dive into it and find out which platform provides more options for dropshipping store owners, because while both are popular, they're not created equal when it comes to the flexibility and functionality you need for your business. First, let's talk about Oberlo. If you've heard of Oberlo, you probably know it's a go-to app for Shopify users. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, and that's a huge plus for people already on that platform. Oberlo's focus is making dropshipping simple. It allows you to import products from suppliers, mostly from AliExpress, directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. It has a user-friendly interface and automates a lot of the tedious work like order fulfillment, which can save you a lot of time. But here's the catch: Oberlo is very limited in terms of product variety and supplier networks. It mainly focuses on AliExpress, and while AliExpress is vast, it's not always the most reliable when it comes to product quality or shipping times. If you're aiming to scale your business beyond the basics, you might run into some roadblocks with Oberlo's supplier limitations. Next thing, let's talk about WooCommerce. Unlike Oberlo, WooCommerce isn't a standalone dropshipping tool. It's a WordPress plugin that turns your WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce store. Now, WooCommerce doesn't come with a built-in product import system like Oberlo does, but what WooCommerce offers in return is total flexibility. You can use various plugins and integrations like AliDropship, Spocket, or Salehu to connect with multiple suppliers, not just AliExpress. So, if you're looking for more control over your product selection and supplier options, WooCommerce gives you that freedom. You can explore products from suppliers around the world, set your own rules for pricing, and customize the way your store works to fit your business model. The fourth thing worth mentioning is scalability. WooCommerce wins here, hands down. Because WooCommerce is built on WordPress, it's easily scalable. You're not limited by the ecosystem of a single platform like Shopify. You can integrate various tools, expand your product catalog, and grow your site as much as you want without worrying about hitting a wall. Oberlo, on the other hand, is tied to Shopify's limits, meaning you might eventually feel constrained if your business really takes off. The Shopify fees also add up as you scale, while WooCommerce gives you more room to grow at your own pace without the same fee structure. Moving on to ease of use, Oberlo definitely takes the lead here. If you're a beginner and just starting your dropshipping journey, Oberlo's simplicity makes it an attractive option. Setting up your store, adding products, and fulfilling orders is streamlined and relatively quick. WooCommerce, while powerful, requires a bit more setup. You'll need to manage plugins, deal with hosting, and customize your store to make it fully functional. It's not difficult, but it's not as beginner-friendly as Oberlo's plug-and-play setup. Now, let's talk about costs. Both options are affordable depending on how you approach them. Oberlo is free for basic use, but as your store grows, you'll need to upgrade to paid plans. Shopify itself also charges monthly fees, so that's something to consider. WooCommerce is free to install, but you'll need to pay for hosting, themes, and plugins if you want advanced functionality. The cost can quickly add up, but you get more flexibility in terms of how you manage your store's growth and expenses. Lastly, when it comes to the overall dropshipping experience, you should consider how hands-on you want to be. Oberlo handles a lot of the work for you, which is great if you want to focus on marketing and growing your store. But if you want complete control over your store, WooCommerce gives you the reins. It's great for people who are willing to put in more effort up front for a more tailored experience down the road. To sum it up, Oberlo is a solid option for beginners who need something easy to set up and don't mind sticking with AliExpress as their main supplier. WooCommerce, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and scalability for store owners who want more control and are willing to invest time into customizing their store. That being said, while both tools are decent, after trying all of them myself, I recommend you check out an alternative that might be a better fit for the goal of getting more dropshipping options. Take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.